Hello, welcome to our channel. Today's video I will show you 3 face masks that will remove wrinkles and scars. Discover the secrets of ageless beauty with our latest video, 3 Miracle Cornstarch Face Masks for anti-aging. Here's a simple anti-aging face masks. We'll show you how to create homemade face masks using simple, natural ingredients readily available in your kitchen. We'll guide you through step-by-step instructions on how to mix and apply these masks effectively. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, you'll find a recipe here that suits your skin type. For dry skin, ingredients: 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoons raw milk, 1 teaspoon milk, 1 capsule of vitamin E oil or 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 1 teaspoon rosehip seed oil. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix together the cornstarch and raw milk until a smooth paste forms. Add the regular milk, vitamin E oil, pierce the capsule and squeeze out the oil, and rosehip seed oil to the cornstarch mixture. Stir well to combine all ingredients thoroughly. Cleanse your face and pat it dry before applying the mask. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Relax and let the mask sit on your face for 15-20 minutes, allowing the nourishing ingredients to penetrate your skin. After the mask has dried, rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. This mask combines the moisturizing properties of milk, the skin-soothing effects of cornstarch, and the rejuvenating benefits of vitamin E oil and rosehip seed oil to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking radiant and youthful. Use this mask once or twice a week for best results. For oily skin, here's a simple anti-aging face mask recipe using cornstarch, raw milk, and honey. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoons raw milk, 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix together the cornstarch and raw milk until smooth. Add the honey to the mixture and stir well until all ingredients are thoroughly combined. Cleanse your face and pat it dry before applying the mask. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Relax and let the mask sit on your face for 15-20 minutes, allowing the nourishing ingredients to penetrate your skin. After the mask has dried, rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. This mask combines the skin-smoothing properties of cornstarch, the moisturizing effects of raw milk, and the antioxidant-rich honey to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking refreshed and rejuvenated. Use this mask once or twice a week for best results. Here's a detailed preparation method for an anti-aging face mask for all skin type. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon rosewater, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon sweet almond oil. Preparation: grate fresh ginger. Start by grating approximately 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger using a fine grater. You can adjust the amount based on your preference, but ensure it's finely grated to release its beneficial properties effectively. Mix with rosewater. In a small mixing bowl, combine the grated ginger with 1 tablespoon of rosewater. Rosewater helps to tone and hydrate the skin while complementing the anti-aging properties of ginger. Add cornstarch. Gradually add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to the ginger and rosewater mixture. Stir the ingredients together until you achieve a smooth paste-like consistency. Cornstarch acts as a thickening agent and helps bind the ingredients together. Incorporate aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to the mixture. Aloe vera gel is renowned for its soothing and moisturizing properties, making it an excellent addition to this anti-aging mask. Mix well to ensure all ingredients are thoroughly combined. Blend in sweet almond oil. Lastly, incorporate 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil into the mixture. Sweet almond oil is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, providing nourishment and hydration to the skin while combating signs of aging. Stir until the oil is evenly distributed throughout the mask. Application: cleanse your face. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup residue. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Apply the mask using clean fingertips or a brush. Apply a generous layer of the anti-aging mask to your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Ensure that your skin is evenly covered with the mask. Relax and wait. Allow the mask to sit on your skin for about 15-20 minutes. During this time, relax and let the nourishing ingredients work their magic. Rinse off. After the designated time, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. Use gentle circular motions to massage the mask off your skin, promoting gentle exfoliation. Moisturize. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration and further nourish your skin. Use this anti-aging face mask 1-2 times per week to reap its maximum benefits and achieve a youthful complexion over time. With its blend of natural ingredients, this anti-aging face mask is sure to leave your skin feeling rejuvenated, hydrated, and radiant. Enjoy the benefits of its natural ingredients for firmer, smoother, and more youthful-looking skin. Don't forget to like, comment your experiences, and subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare solutions. Your feedback fuels our passion to create content that serves your needs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more skincare tips and DIY recipes.